Oh, fuck. Okay, Presto. Motherfucker. Oh, fuck. Okay, Presto. Motherfucker, man. Okay, Presto. Motherfucker, man. Look at him. What an asshole. Shit. Damn it, the cops didn't even go behind that motherfucker. Shit, man. This is the problem. This is a bitch.
It was way behind me. He's moving up.
Why is he freaking? Why he want to go around? He's go the left lane.
Yeah,
He was like so far behind me. I saw him in the distance.
Jesus.
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
Wow. I mean, that's the way it is now. I mean, that's the way it was before. I'm sorry. What's going on? He wants to cut in. Wow.
A governor who's breaking the law before he even takes office.
If you're a state assemblyman, you should be spending your time knocking on doors. You're on.
Wow. So what you decided? Look at that. Cut him off. See what she just did? Now she's gonna make an improper left turn. Look at that. Oh. Yep. Of course. There's always one. I swear there's always one. I'm surprised he didn't go all the way to the front. Damn, because he has to make a wide turn. But that BMW, look at this one, triple park. At the traffic time, I learned this way I could put it. This motherfucker's like, I'm out of here. He said, I'm gonna go through the median. I don't care if cars are coming. I'm gonna go slowly. I'm gonna get out of this traffic. Yeah, go ahead. All those failed to use. So that all those people who were supposed to stop for that pedestrian. Hey guys. So I just finished today. Not only did they skip everybody, they ate the light. Because I noticed he just totally ran that light. How you merge on and you press brakes? I don't know. What? You pressing brakes on a merge to a highway? Sure, go ahead.
You know you're not supposed to cross.
I don't know. Chose this
Yeah,
one.
he chose this one now, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you would use that phrase.
Para, ya tiene un tupe. Un tupe. Shit, that's not a stop sign.
Es que nadie quiere.
You saw it.
Straight into the. Oh my god, that's crazy.
car even reacted to him.